So this is Form 2, Chapter 1, Chapter 11. This is Form 2, Chapter 11. Now we were going to see the exercise for self-practice 11.3. Okay, so we were going to see the questions in self-practice 11.3, and then this exercise you can find in your textbook. That is on page 223. Okay, in your textbook you can find the same exercise. So now we're going to see the questions number 4 and 5. Okay, so for questions number 4, we have the point, image, and object. Okay, and the question say this image and object is reflect. Actually, it's reflection. Okay, so based on the sentence, we can say the green color, quadrilaterals. Okay, second part. Okay, actually, it's an image for the red color quadrilateral here. Okay, obviously, this is green color image, the red color is object. Okay, so then we need to find, what we need to find is the image for P, Q, R, and S under the same reflection. Okay, so before we start to find the image, the first thing we need to identify is the axis of reflection. So what is the axis of reflection for image and object for A, B, C, D here, the green color and red color? So that's why we just find a middle line. So obviously this is C in the in the right hand side, the image become the left hand side. Okay, and then B still is up above point, D still the down point. Okay, so that's mean up and down is the same, but left and right already change. So that means this is from from right flip to the left. So we know that our axis of reflections will be a vertical line. Okay, we will have a vertical line as our axis of reflection. Okay, now the vertical line we must draw, there must be the middle line of the object and image. So based on these two shapes, are you able to find where is the middle line? Okay, so if you are confusing, so you can choose any 2 points. So now I choose A point. Okay, so A and the A image. So I try to find where is the midpoint for these 2 points. So obviously the midpoint is here. This is the midpoint. Okay, then we try to find another point. Now I choose B point. So B point object, B point image. So the midpoint for these 2 points is here. Because totally they have 8 units between them if you count properly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the midpoint will be here. Left and right we have 4 units. So this is a midpoint. So when you join the midpoint to another midpoint, so you'll find out that is actually your axis of reflection already. In other words, when you join the midpoint, you already find the middle line for the object and image. So this is the axis of reflection. So this is the axis of refraction. So we get the axis of refraction already, so we can use the axis of refraction to find the image of P, Q, R, and S. Very easy only. So just for example, we're using P. Okay, so try to find the image for P. So P is here. So same thing, we try to draw a perpendicular line from P, go to another side. And then we try to count how many units between P to the axis of refraction based on the perpendicular line we have. So 1 unit, 2 units. So that means the image will be same distance from the axis of refraction. So axis of refraction is here. We count another 2 units. 1, 2. So 2 units away from the axis of refraction perpendicularly, there is the image. So this is the image of P. So trying to read the coordinate, there is -1 and 7. So I know that P image P prime is -1 and 7. If you compare with the P coordinate, the coordinate object, P will be 3 and 3 and 7. So you see, the y coordinate is a fixed number. The y coordinate is not changed. So that's why when you have an image and coordinate object is something like y is not the same, so means the axis of refraction will be vertical line. Okay, axis of refraction will be vertical. So for this question, you need to find the image for Q, R, and S. So this one, I think you are able to find by yourself. So this is the answer for question number 4. Okay, I just show you 1 point, that is P point. And the others you'll go find by yourself. So then we are going to see the question number 5. So the question number 5 is asking you to draw the axis of refraction. So just now we know, just now I mentioned already, axis of refraction is a middle line for the object and image. So that means you need to find where is the middle line for M object and M prime image. So very easy, actually same thing. We try to choose 2 points. 1, okay, 2 corresponding. Okay, this is corresponding point, image and object. So try to find where is the middle line, middle point between them. So if you draw properly, you'll find out this is a diagonal. So we have 3 diagonal here. So half here will be the middle. So this is a middle point. Okay, so then others one, try find another one. Okay, so this one the point, image, and this one is the object point. So same thing. This is also diagonal. Oh, when you hear, you will see actually obviously the midpoint also is a diagonal for this one. So that means actually we saw already very obvious. The middle line will be the diagonal from here. Draw until here. So this is a axis of reflection. Okay. So in other words, this is a middle line of object and image. Okay. So this is a axis of reflection. So B, that is your work to do. Okay, so I just leave the questions B. I want you to try by yourself. So all this you try to complete in your exercise book. Okay, so this is questions 4 and 5. So I hope you understand.